Got it here a bunch more epic knives. Let's see what we got right here. Sakoma Elite Auto Tactical Full Serrated. These things are incredibly rare. They go out the shelves super instantly. Look at that kick. Full serrated Sakoma Elite 06 2022 and serial number of 700886. So that's how many of them have been made, and these are incredibly hard to get. The nose is definitely very heavy, completely not super well balanced. It's because it's just the nature of the knife. Automatic knives, people love them though. The handle is super lightweight compared to the blade, but nevertheless people love them so much. Next there is Derika Shadow. This one is incredibly rare too. This is signature, and the serial number is 215 11 2022. You see the button is right here. It's kind of like a half serrated, half regular standard blade. Very satisfying. Something about this, very easy to open and close it. Window breaker, beautiful little knife. I love Shadow Signature Edition. The blade and the handle, everything about it really dark. Then this one right here is very rare, Ultratech Hellhound Shadow Clear Top. This one is incredibly hard to find. Every so often they make new ones, but you see how there's a clear top, there's a Morpher knife, a logo, serial number 67, and this is Ultratech. And you see how this works? You pull on this and it will push it in. Check this out one more time, that way you can see how it works. Isn't that cool? We can only see so much. We don't really see how the blade being kicked out. Still a little bit of a mystery, but I love to see all these movable parts whenever you're using it. And even better, this right here, Hellhound Shadow. That is extremely hard to get. They sell out instantly too. Another extremely rare knife. This is Booker Plus Desert Warrior. So it's like a donut color, made in Taiwan. Check this out. Blade HQ exclusive. It has pretty good double safety. I do like that. You really have to push into it for it to like kick out. That's nice. So there's in itself safety. Boker knives is really nice and comfortable. I think this is a medium size. There's a mini and extra large. Not really sure why they call it AK. Probably using the metals from AK. Who knows? Then right here, J&J Hawk Mantis. A Mantis maker, J&J Hawk designer. There's different colors. This is the bigger ones. As you can see, this one completely what it looks like out of the factory without any kind of paint or anything. I love it. It's so raw. For some reason it feels good, and it doesn't have J&J Hawk on it. That's interesting, but it is a J&J Hawk design. Just clear. Not really sure why they didn't put J&J Hawk on it. Very cool. Okay, what about this? Again, no J&J Hawk on it, but it is a design of J&J Hawk. Sometimes they put it right here, the logo. It's pretty important that they do. Some people wouldn't know what it is, so surprised they didn't put the designer logo on it. But yeah, this is a gearhead with different colors, silver and like gray and black. So anyways, let me know in comments below which knives was your favorite. I think these two of my knives by far are the best, coolest knives of today's video. It's really hard to get. They sell out instantly.